right now. Hold on. Look here. Now don't you man. Sorry, Sue. Sorry, Sue. So rap boys, we don't be here. We don't be here. Yo, sometimes you just have to do what you have to do. You have to get the girls in. When you get the girls in. That's what you think though, you have to bad with it. Yo, if you went to the party last night, put your hands up right now. Anybody partying from last night till today, this morning till right now? Oh, that just man, you're partying too? Bombard. I've been partying all weekend, yo.
Last night I let the party get the best of me.
Let's go!